Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our cozy little English studio. I hope you're having a calm and bright day right now. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. And as always, we're here to help you learn real, simple, everyday English in the friendliest and most natural way possible.
Yeah, we're here to help you enjoy learning without stress, without pressure, just like you're sitting with two friends having morning tea.
Exactly. And today we have a really fun topic. Actually, it's something everyone does every single day, but everyone does it differently.
Yes, the topic is morning routine. How you wake up, what you do first, how you get ready, what habits you have, everything.
But before we jump in, Emma, I need to tell you something funny about my morning today.
Oh no, what happened? You always start with, Emma, something happened today. That's how I know it's going to be good.
No, really, today I woke up feeling extremely confident. You know those rare mornings when you say to yourself, today I will be productive, I will be fast, I will be organized, so I jumped out of bed like a superhero.
Oh wow, that sounds, suspicious. Whenever you start your day with confidence, something chaotic happens.
I know, because the second I walked into the bathroom, I looked into the mirror and realized I had put my t-shirt on inside out.
Jack, you've done this like 12 times already this year.
No. This time was worse. I wore it inside out and backward. The tag was literally on my chest.
Okay, wait, I need to imagine this. So you're telling me you woke up thinking, yes, I'm a responsible adult, and then you dressed like a confused potato.
Exactly. A very proud, motivated, confident potato.
I wish you recorded a video. Our viewers would love it.
Oh, trust me, nobody should see that.
Anyway, my morning was the complete opposite. I woke up slowly, took a moment to breathe, opened my window, and the weather felt so soft and fresh.
Ooh, peaceful morning vibes.
Yes, totally. But then I went to the kitchen to make tea, and guess what?
Please don't say you broke something.
No, not today. But I forgot that I left my mug in the fridge last night.
Why was your mug in the fridge?
I put it in the fridge because I didn't want ants to get in. Then I forgot.
So you made tea, and then you were like, why is my cup so cold?
Exactly. I was so confused for 20 seconds.
Emma's brain at 7 a.m. is like, system loading, please wait.
That's so true. I need at least 10 minutes to become a functional human.
Same here. And you know what? That's exactly why talking about morning routine is so fun, because everyone's routine is different. Some people are slow in the morning, some are super fast, some read, some pray, some exercise, and some wear their t-shirts inside out.
Some people, meaning you.
Yes, it's me. I accept it.
So, today, in this warm little podcast, we'll talk about our actual morning routines, how we start the day, and how you can describe your own morning routine in easy English.
And we're going to make it fun, relaxed, and natural, not like a textbook.
All right, ready?
Let's go.
So, Jack, let's start simple. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? And please be honest, don't try to sound cool.
Fine. First thing, I hit the snooze button, like 3 times.
Same here. I always say, oh, wake up now. And then I wake up 10 minutes later like, oops.
Honestly, mornings are a battle between my brain and my pillow. My pillow always wins.
Your pillow is stronger than your motivation.
Sadly, yes.
But after you finally get up, what do you do?
I sit on the edge of the bed for a minute and just decode reality. I look around like, what year is it? Where am I? Why is the floor so cold?
I swear everyone does this, but nobody admits it. I also sit on my bed, like a small, confused bird.
Then I drink water because my throat feels like a desert.
Yes, first thing water is so good. It wakes you up better than anything.
Exactly. After that, I go wash my face with cold water. It's like an instant shock therapy.
Same. Cold water is like, good morning, wake up, you have responsibilities.
Then I brush my teeth and put on my normal t-shirt. Not inside out, not backward.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
For me, after I get up, I stretch a little. Just simple stretching. My body feels tight in the morning.
Yeah, stretching is amazing, but I'm too lazy to do it.
You need to try. It actually makes your day better.
Maybe. If someone pays me.
Jack will only stretch if someone gives him money.
Correct.
Then I make tea. Every morning. I can't begin my day without tea.
Yeah, your tea is basically your personality.
Excuse me?
No, I mean, you're warm, calm, soft, and your tea is also like that, so it matches.
Aw, such a sweet save.
Thank you. I'm good at avoiding trouble.
Tea time is always my favorite. I take a slow sip, look outside the window, and just breathe.
Do you look at your phone in the morning?
I try not to, because if I open my phone, suddenly there are 17 notifications and my peace disappears.
True. Phones can ruin a peaceful morning.
Exactly. So I keep it away for the first 10-15 minutes.
I wish I had your discipline. I check my phone immediately like, who texted me? What happened overnight? Did the world end?
And 99% of the time, nothing happened.
Correct.
After tea, I usually journal for 5 minutes. Just writing how I feel or what my plan is.
That's so productive. I respect that.
Thanks. It helps me stay calm.
Morning routines really show our personalities.
Yes. Some people run, some meditate, some jump into work, some make breakfast, and some wear inside-out shirts.
I know you were planning to say that,
Of course.
but honestly, morning routines matter. They decide how your whole day feels.
Exactly. If your morning is messy, your entire day becomes messy.
If your morning is calm, your day feels smoother.
So, viewers, if you want to improve your English and your life, try building a simple morning routine.
Yes, like waking up a little earlier, drinking water, stretching, and doing one small thing that makes you feel good.
It doesn't have to be big, just something that gives your day a good beginning.
Okay, Emma, what was your morning routine like as a kid?
Oh my God, terrible. I was the slowest child on earth. My mom would wake me up gently, then gently again, then loudly, and then she'd say, "Emma, get up or you'll be late."
I can imagine little Emma hiding under the blanket.
I did. I used to pretend I didn't hear anything.
My childhood morning routine was the opposite. I used to wake up early because I wanted to watch cartoons before school.
Ah, yes, cartoon motivation, better than any alarm clock.
Exactly. Then, slowly as I grew older, my motivation changed from cartoons to coffee.
Same lifestyle, different beverage.
But I think morning routines change based on life. Your job, your school, your habits, everything affects it.
Yes. For example, now I take a few quiet minutes just to breathe. I never did that before.
That's the best. A peaceful start.
Jack, what is one morning habit you want to improve?
Probably checking my phone less. I want to start my day with peace, not notifications.
Yes. Put your phone away for the first 10 minutes. Your brain will thank you.
And you?
I want to exercise more in the morning. Even a 5-minute warm-up is fine. But I forget.
Okay, deal. I'll try to check my phone less, and you try to stretch or exercise.
Deal. Let's see next week who wins.
We already know you'll win. Your discipline is scary.
Thank you. I try. So, what's one tip you want to give our listeners about building a morning routine?
Start small. Seriously, don't try to change everything at once. Just pick one thing.
One thing every morning makes a big difference.
Yes, like drinking water or making your bed or journaling for 2 minutes.
Or wearing your t-shirt correctly.
Yes, Jack's personal challenge. I'll work on it.
Okay, everyone, that's our cozy morning routine chat. We hope you enjoyed this long, friendly, natural conversation.
And we hope it helps you talk about your morning routine in simple English.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Both see you in the next warm English talk. Bye.
Bye.